Hey everyone, welcome back to Senior Prius, where we dive deep into the best car buys on the market. Today, we're talking about a classic that combines reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability, the second-generation Toyota Prius, models from 2004 to 2009. If you're considering a used car, this might just be the perfect pick for you. Let's find out why. Why you should buy a used Toyota Prius second generation, 2004 to 2009. 1. Fuel efficiency. First on our list is what the Prius is known for: incredible fuel economy. We're talking about an average of 45 miles per gallon, folks. In today's world of rising fuel prices, this car could save you a ton of money at the pump. Number 2. Reliability. Toyota's reputation for reliability isn't just hype. The Prius is built to last, with many owners reporting their cars running smoothly, even after crossing the 200,000-mile mark without major issues. 3. Affordability. Considering its benefits, the second-generation Prius comes at a surprisingly affordable price on the used market. This makes it an excellent choice for students, first-time car owners, or anyone looking to get the most bang for their buck. 4. Low maintenance costs. The Prius is known for its low maintenance needs. Its regenerative braking system reduces wear on brake pads, and its hybrid system is designed to be long-lasting. Number 5. Eco-friendly. If you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint, the Prius is a great choice. Its hybrid engine produces fewer emissions compared to traditional gasoline engines. Even the best cars have their quirks. For the second-generation Prius, watch out for battery life. Although it's designed to last, replacements can be pricey. Always check the vehicle's history and consider a pre-purchase inspection. The Toyota Prius second generation is a stellar choice for anyone in the used car market. It offers a blend of efficiency, reliability, and affordability that's hard to beat. Before you make your decision, make sure to do your research, check the car's history, and consider your personal needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful car reviews and tips. Got any questions or your own Prius stories? Drop them in the comments below.